Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Facebook algorithm and refresh your Facebook feed recommendations in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app and go to the home page. Then tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Now go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Scroll down to Content Preferences. This section controls what Facebook shows on your feed, reels, and suggested posts. First, tap Favorites. Here, add friends or pages you want to see more often on your Facebook newsfeed. Then, go back and open Unfollow. Here, you can unfollow people or pages whose content you no longer want affecting your algorithm. Next, go to Reconnect if you want to follow previously unfollowed accounts again. Now, let's clear Facebook activity signals. Go back to Settings and open Activity Log. Tap Likes and Reactions and remove reactions or comments that no longer match the content you want recommended. Just tap the three dots beside any activity and select Remove. Also, whenever you see unwanted posts or reels, tap the three dots and choose Not Interested or Hide Post. Facebook will gradually show less similar content. Finally, start interacting with new content you actually enjoy. Like, comment, and follow pages related to your interests so the Facebook algorithm learns your new preferences faster. And that's it. That's how to reset the Facebook algorithm and improve your Facebook feed recommendations.